Okay mga bossing, so seryoso muna tayo at talagang nag-base pa ako para rito kasi talagang nag-drop na naman ang sangkap ng pangluto si Prime Monkey. Nung una is suka, tapos naging toyo, tapos naging patis, tapos eto naman guys, ito ang tinatawag namin na laurel. Okay, ito ang laurel. So ano ba yung sangkap or laman ng laurel guys? Okay, ito na. This is gonna be part of their Alpha Series line ng Prime Monkey. And look at the box muna, guys. Look at the box. Okay? So, yan. Look at the box. Very classy, very seryoso. Parang talagang alpha male ka lang talaga. Ano ba yung meaning ng alpha male? Parang alam mo lahat, parang seryoso, very formal, matalino, you're like the everything on the world. Ito bro, parang alpha male talaga. It suits the Alpha series line. So, yung ano niya bro, yung box niya, this is magnetic. Wait. Yung box niya is magnetic. Okay? Yan. Yan. Solid. Tapos, okay, let's open the box. Wow, slowly but surely, andito yung Prime Monkey logo, tapos andito yung tagline. Sheesh. Grabe talaga. Underneath all, we are merely savages. Whew. Okay. Sara natin. This is gonna be part of the Alpha series line of Prime Monkey, and this is called their masculine perfume. Ito, to be honest with you guys, hindi ko alam to. Hindi ko even yung OG na ito, hindi ko alam. And I don't even know, hindi ko na-guess kanina si Sir Vinmark sa kung ano ba yung klase ng pabango to. This is one of the perfumes of Clive Christian, and I don't know what specific perfume that is, pero sexy, masculine fragrance, very alpha male ang datingan. I don't know I don't know what the scent notes are, pero okay. Magnetic cap, di mawawala. Okay, so after that, eto naman, atomizer check syempre. Okay, ang naamoy ko dito, may pagka-heavy amber, oud, may onting leather. Pero this is very sexy. Di ko alam kung ano talaga yung pinaka-dapat na maamoy ko dito, to be honest with you guys. Basta ang pinaka-naamoy ko talaga agad is oud and leather. Pero hindi siya ganun kabigat, just like Tom Ford Ombre Leather. Hindi ganun yung amoy niya. Very sexy siya. To be honest with you, hindi ako mahilig sa mga very, very like leathery scents, leathery and woody scents. Pero ito, goddamn. This one is a very sexy fragrance. At talagang kapag ito yung pinabango mo, para kang millionaire. Poking ina. Legit. This is masculine of Prime Monkey. Ulitin ko lang, wala pa ang full review nito. And I don't even know the smell of the original or the OG of this perfume. Kaya hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat maging expectations para sa pabango nito. So, iba naman yung malapit sa mabango. Pero ito, ang bango niya. Pero, hindi ito versatile. Isa ang pinaka-pinapangako hindi ito versatile. Although mabango siya, I don't think this is going to cloy, although hindi ko pa fully aware. But, ang scent profile niya is very unique, very classy, very pangmayaman, very formal. Kaya, ang gamit nito is para lang sa mga very special occasions. Okay? Hintayin nyo na lang guys. This is gonna be part of their Alpha series line ng Prime Monkey. This is masculine. Okay? Let's go!